find the value, exercise 4.4. Second one, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So condition is given that they have two equal roots. That means what? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So here first equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. Now b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Equal roots. So it will be 0. So what is b? b k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0, or k square is equal to 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24, minus 24. When it comes to this side, it will be positive 24. So k will be equal to root of 24. That 24 you can split as 4 into 6. No, 4 is a perfect square, so you can take 2 root 6. So it can be plus or minus 2 root 6. Why plus or minus? Because plus value also, when you are squaring, it will be positive 24 only. Negative value also, when you square, you will get 24, positive 24. So k can take 2 root 6 or negative 2 root 6. Now second one, k x into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we form the equation k into x, okay, x square, kx 2k x, then plus 6 equal to 0, or a equal to k, b equal to negative 2k and c equal to 6. Then find out b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means negative 2k square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now 4k square will be equal to 24k. K you can cancel. 4k is equal to 24, or k value is equal to 24 by 4, that is equal to 6. So value of k is equal to 6. Now third one, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So it is a question. So whether we can form a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. So let us first form the equation. So let us take, let breadth be, breadth is the smallest one, breadth be x. So what will be length? Length, it is given twice its breadth. So length be 2x. Now we know the formula of the area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So area is equal to length into breadth. So here it will be x into 2x. So here it is given area is equal to 800 meter square, that is x into 2x, or 2x square is equal to 800, or x square will be equal to 800 divided by 2, that is equal to 400. 400 is a perfect square. So what is x? X is equal to root of 400, that is equal to 20. So here we have to take only here. Also you will get plus or minus 20, but as it is the length, positive value only you have to take. So it will be length x is equal to breadth is equal to 20 meter and length it should be 40 meter. When you length into breadth you find out, see the 800 square meter, that is the area. So is it possible to make a garden like that? Yes, it is possible. Then you have find out length and breadth of that crop. Okay, now fourth one. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. So sum of the ages of two friends is 20. 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48. Now sum of the age of two friends is 20, it is given. So let us take one of the friend age is equal to x. Now another one will be 20 minus x. Together they have 20. So it will be 20 minus s. Then 4 years ago. 4 years ago, what will be first one's age? X minus 4. And what will be second one's age? 20 minus x minus 4. Product of that ages will be equal to 48. So x minus 4, 20 minus 4, 16 minus x equal to 48. Or open the bracket, 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. Take 48 to the side. Minus x square, 16 plus 4, 20x. 64 again 48, both are negative, so you should add that one. 112, that is equal to 0. Now find out what is A. A is equal to negative 1, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 112. Negative 112. So B square minus 4AC is equal to B square is 20 square minus 4 into negative 1 into negative 112. 20 square 400 plus 448. Now it will be 848. Okay. Now see here, 848, 848 8 you are getting. Square root of that one. So square root of that one is not possible. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, but here square root we cannot find out. So this case it is not possible. Now fifth one. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. So perimeter is given 2, length plus breadth is equal to 80, or length plus breadth will be equal to 80 divided by 2, 40. Suppose if you are taking breadth is equal to x, length you can take as 40 minus length you can take as 40 minus x. Now area it is given 400, that is length into breadth is equal to 400. So x into 40 minus x is equal to 400, or 40x minus x square minus 400 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to negative 1, b equal to 40, positive 40, c equal to negative 400. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 40 square minus 4 into negative 1 into negative 400. Now 40 square 1600 you will get. So here it is negative 1600. Now it will be 0. Okay, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So that means you will get 2 real roots, that is x value will be equal to minus b by 2a, that is equal to minus 40 by 2 into negative 1, that is positive 40 by 2, that is 20. So breadth is equal to 20 and the length is also 20. So it will not be a rectangular one, it will be a square.